Hey girls, and welcome you all back to my channel. So I'm back and I'm better than ever before. I just feel like I've been thriving. I just feel like I'm on top of the game. I feel very good about myself. I've been working like on me and just like, sometimes we just gotta connect back with ourselves to like know what we really want in life. And I feel like I haven't been posting much, and it's pretty much just because I've been connecting with my inner self, and let me tell you, it was very much needed. But I'm back on the grind. I'm here today and I wanted to bring back a video. I used to film these type of videos a lot back when it was like my freshman year of college, and let me tell you, I was in love with Kendra Scott. Kendra Scott started like being a really big part of me my junior year of high school, which was whenever like all girls my age kind of started wearing it, and I would see it like all over Instagram, and I was like, like it's a thing, it's a trend, it's the thing everybody's doing. I pretty much hopped onto that bandwagon, so I pretty much fell in love with it. I just really did, not necessarily because girls wore it, but I really liked the pieces. And so yeah, everything was great. I loved Kendra Scott. I gave her a lot of my money, and so then I kind of matured in a way last year, and I was like, I'm not gonna buy any Kendra Scott like ever in my life. Reason for that, because it is not sterling silver, so it does lose its color. The gold isn't actual gold, obviously. I mean, for the price, come on, you should have known. But I didn't really care much about the material a piece was made until like last year. I actually realized like, hey, my pieces are getting really disgusting. I take very good care of everything I own. Like, I take care of everything. I still have a pencil I traded with my best friend from kindergarten. I still have that pencil unsharpened. The eraser's not used. I take very good care of my stuff. So I just couldn't come up with an answer of why my pieces got so ugly, but to clearly realize that it's not sterling silver. And a lot of people call me ignorant in my last video where I explained why I wasn't going to buy any Kendra Scott. A lot of people called me ignorant. You know what I did? I blocked them because I don't need negative people in my life. So I did go to Kendra Scott last week, actually, you guys, and let me tell you, it was very refreshing. It was very exciting to just go into the store and seeing basically like 18-year-old me coming back alive again, and I got something. I did end up getting a piece, and reason for that has just been because, like I said, I've been really much connecting with myself, and I did take a summer class, which a lot of you girls know about, and it's a very rigorous class for me. Like, I cannot stand math for anything, and I ended up passing the class with a big fat A. So obviously a big A, come on, for a a subject that I really don't like. It obviously meant that I had to get myself a little something to kind of like cheer myself up for so I could kind of feel like the reward. So I did end up getting this piece that I will be showing you guys right now. The girl didn't give me any tissue paper. She did apologize. She said, I'm sorry, but we ran out of tissue paper. I was like, that's fine, girl, So this is what my baggie looks like. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know the piece I got. And this is the reed necklace. This is basically a long silver chain necklace with the rose quartz stone. Now, if you're a big Kendra Scott fan, you know that Kendra Scott, I think she has over 30 different styles and colors of stones, and I think that's so cool. That was one of the main reasons why I loved Kendra Scott, because she did have lots of like color stones that could match like any outfit, so I thought that was like great, So I've been in love with rose quartz. A lot of you girls know that I started my eyelash brand, and that is basically silver with baby pink. So it only like makes sense, and it only looks right if I actually get like a silver with baby pink. Call me crazy, I know what I am. I love this. I love what I do, so I'm gonna do whatever makes me happy, Kendra Scott is actually kind of expensive for kind of like what it is, like not sterling silver. They took off the price because I had to do this in the color bar, but I believe it was $75, which before you say anything, yes, I know that's a lot, but I'm actually very smart because I took my baby sister, whose birthday is on July 27th, so next week. So I pretty much used her as a birthday discount, so I just took her passport and I said, hey, it's her birthday. So, so that's how I got 50% off this piece. I believe I paid a little bit under $40, which I think is like a good price. So now let me tell you more about this necklace. We're gonna go ahead and review it and just kind of discuss about it and talk about it. So as you can see, we have two little diamond sort of adjustable necklace setting for the measurement. I believe this measures, I want to say 32 inches, not so sure. And of course we got our rose quartz stone. The girl there was really nice, because you know they have like a variety of stones, you know, obviously, but they had like 20 rose quartz stones, and some parts were like more cloudy than others. And I told the girl, I was like, hey, can I choose the stone that's gonna go on my necklace? She said yes. So I pretty much chose one that was pretty much balanced all throughout, and I really like it because it matches my nose. Like, I am a baby pink fanatic. Like, I think what really bumped it up was my lash brand. I've just been like really I've been all about it, you know. So yeah, I did have another necklace. I believe it was the rain necklace. Anyways, I ended up giving that one to my mom. That one had like little tassels, and it had the white ivory pearl with gold hardware on it, and you know, it was nice, but the gold really got like a dirty old gold, so I didn't like that much. Anyways, my mom ended up exchanging it for a new one, so that's good. But what I really liked about this one was that obviously it didn't have the tassels at the bottom, and this right here, you can adjust it to make it a shorter necklace. And the thing is that also that surprises me is that this does not move at all. So if you leave it at this adjustment, it ain't going nowhere. So I could basically wear this necklace at any like length that I want it to be. So most of the time I do wear it just like this. Obviously, like, I didn't really have planned to film today, so that's why I'm wearing the shirt. But anyways, like, it hits like right here, which I think looks really good. I usually wear this necklace with like plain outfits. I'm so excited for this necklace in the fall, like a white sweater, and then this. I like to wear like a necklace that's like a 14-inch. I like wearing a 16-inch, and then this. I feel like that looks very good. I've been loving layering necklaces. If you follow me on Instagram, you will for sure see that and like what I'm talking about. So yeah, it just fits right there. You guys will see like how it hits. So I could literally have the stone like up here if I wanted to. But like, I look a little weird, honestly, like, not gonna lie. I mean, it looks cute, but okay, my head does not fit in there. Okay, please excuse my hair. I'm gonna adjust it. You see, like, now I left it at that setting, so you see like all that excess of chain length is back there, and then you got the stone right here. I love stones, you guys. I really love rose quartz. Like, I can show you. And my boyfriend gave me this necklace for our 2-year anniversary. The matching earrings and the matching ring, but I don't have those close to me right now. They're in their place, their home, you know. So that's that. And I also got these baby pink bracelets. Like, I love me a good rose quartz vibe. It's pretty much a stone that kind of helps you gain like love back with yourself, or like family, or you know, whatever. Like, it just kind of, it's like the stone of love in a way. So you know, everything's about self-love here. Like, if you don't love yourself, that means you're not happy, and if you're not happy, then like life isn't gonna really make sense, you know. So it all starts with loving yourself. So it's all about love, y'all. So I don't know, sorry, I'm just hyper. I don't know why. I just ate like my favorite food right now, so I feel good. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to share this necklace with you all. I hope you all enjoyed this really quick video. Actually, it's not that quick, I'm sorry. But yeah, with all that being said, I will see you all girls in my next video. Bye, y'all. I'll promise I'll do my hair next time.